Well, now it's time to update our up and our down button on click listeners. You can see here in the code that we are going to tell the radio to tune down when we push the down button, and we are going to update the station view afterward. We're going to do this to each one of the buttons on click listeners. So if it's the up button, we're going to tell the radio to tune up. How to do that? I'm going to do it for the up button, and I'll let you guys do it for the down button. So for the up button, we're going to say tune up. Oh no, but what's tuning up? It's the radio. So we have to tell the mRadio.tuneUp. There we go. So we're telling mRadio to tune up, and then afterward we are going to call that method we wrote to update station view. If everything works properly, then I should be able to push that up button and see my 1200 go to 1210. Make sure my project is highlighted, hit my play button, and we shall see if the emulator cooperates. So I push my up button, I should expect to see 1210. But I don't. Does my down button do anything? But it doesn't. Does your app launch? Yes. Does it exhibit the expected behaviors? No. Why? It's because we need to add code to the tuneUp method. We called the tuneUp method. Let's go look at it. Here in the AM radio class, we called tuneUp, but we have just kind of a placeholder. We don't have any actual Java there. So the Java that you need to put is mStation equal mStation plus 10. Haha. mStation equal mStation plus 10. And that takes mStation. Well, okay, so in my version of this, I called it current station. That's what I get for typing things without reading them. So current station equal current station plus 10. Now, if I highlight the project and I click the play button, I launch the emulator, launch the app on the emulator. Because now I've told it how to tune up, when it calls the tuneUp method, it should actually tune up. 1200, 1210, 1220, 1230. All right, so does it now exhibit the expected behaviors? Well, that's good, but that's not good. Is it? What's my upper limit here? Is it 1700? Can I go to 2000? Yeah. So my tune up goes just as far as it wants to go. So what about the upper limit? So I need to set some code that will only change the value of mStation, or of, what are we calling it now, of current station, if we have not yet reached the top. And we just use a simple if. So if current station is less than 1700, which is the upper limit, then, and only then, do we add 10 to the dial. Save our code, run the code, so as we approach the upper limit of 1700, let's see how this app behaves. Yep, so I can press that button as many times as I want, but it'll only go to 1700. What if I press down? Will that do anything? And the answer is no, because we've not written the tuneDown method. I want you to finish tuneDown. Make sure you can't go below 530.